Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, students? Hope you all are good. Welcome to the social studies class. I am your subject teacher. This is your social studies book. Open your books. Today we are going to study about the tools. I hope you all remember the previous lectures in which we had studied about the building houses and then building materials and then about the builders. Now, all these lessons are related together. After understanding about the building houses, how we build, not we, how the workers or engineers build the houses, buildings, and malls, and what type of material is used in them. And then we have learned about the builders, who are the builders like carpenters, electricians, plumbers, plasterer, bricklayers, workers. All these are the, you can say, the builders or the workers. Then what type of tools are using it? First we have learned about the materials like cement, bricks, and wood, and whatever. I hope you all remember what we iron, steel, wood, and cement, concrete, stones. These all things, these are the materials. Now the builders, what type of tools they use in different work, for doing different work. This chapter is about the tools. Look, lesson 13, it's about the tools, and these are the pictures. Let's start reading. Carpenters, plumbers, electricians. Remember, all these names we have learned in previous lesson. And other workers all need tools. Tools help them to do their work. Understand what the tools do? Tools help the builders, all the workers, to do their work. Many thousands of years ago, people did not have tools. They used their hands to do everything. Today, people are very clever. They have invented tools to make their work easier. Understand why they use tools? Because tools make their work easier. Thousands of years ago, when people did their work by hands, so it's very difficult for them and it's very hard for them, and it took so much time to complete any work, to build a house or to repair anything. Excuse me. So then different people build the different tools to make their work easier. Who uses these tools? What are they used for? There are the picture of different tools. Look, hammer, plumb line, drill, screwdriver, chisel, saw, plane, plier, pipe wrench, file, trowel, spanner. Tools are useful, but you can hurt yourself if you use them badly. If you are not careful while using them, then these tools can hurt you. Take care of them. Use them only for the jobs they were made for. Understand? But as you are a very small children, very small kids, so please don't use any type of these tools. These are for the elder people, for your father or for the workers who knows how to use them. Let's see, they are saying what are they used for. Let's see, first of all we have hammer. Look, as I told you, it can hurt you if you are not using it properly. Look how it hurt the finger of this person. This is hammer. What is hammer used for? Look, hammer is used for general carpentry, framing, nail pulling, cabinet making, bending or shaping metal. The most important thing of A hammer is to pulling nails on the walls or on the wood or anywhere where you want to pull. Look, but it can also use for making or bending or shaping the metals. This is hammer and how it is used. It has two parts. This part is for pushing the nail inside, and the other part it is made for pulling out or taking out the nails from the wall. This is hammer. As you can see here in this picture, it is used like this, but be careful. Now next we have a plumb line. What is plumb line used for? It looks like this. Look, a small weight. This is the weight. This is the weight attached to a line. This line may be a thread or wire and used to show depth or a straight vertical line. It is used to make a straight wall or straight brick wall. Look, they hang it over like this, and look, this is not correct. If your wall is built like this and then you put a plumb line to know the wall is straight or not, look, it shows that this is the straight line and the wall is built wrong. This is the correct one, not this. This is wrong. That's why we use the plumb line to make a straight vertical line. This is called vertical. If the line is like this from up to down, this is vertical, and it is horizontal from left to right. This is called horizontal, and this up to down, it's called vertical. Look, it's straight. This is plumb line. Now then we have drill. A drill or drilling machine is a tool used for making round holes in walls or wood. Look, this is a drill machine and it is very dangerous. Don't ever try to use it by yourself. Your fathers are maybe using in the houses for making round holes in the walls for putting some nails or some piece of wood inside it, but it's very dangerous. It works with electricity, and look, it makes a hole in the wall, so it's very hard and very sharp edge. It works. This is the drill or drilling machine. It works like this. Then we have the screwdriver. This is screwdriver and a tool for turning a screw. Do you know what is a screw? This is a screw. And this is a screwdriver. A screwdriver has a handle for turning. This is the handle for turning a long metal piece that fits the head of the screw. The long metal piece means this screw. It has a head in which the screwdriver fits, and then you can turn it down or pull it out. This is the work of a screwdriver, and it is used by the electricians or plumbers, or even the carpenter can use to put the two pieces of woods together. Look. Isn't it beautiful with the eyes? Screw and the screwdriver both have eyes. Okay. Okay, let's move. The next one is chisel. It's like this, and what it is used for? A metal tool. Look, this is a metal tool with a sharp edge at the end of a flat piece used to chip away stone, wood, or metal. Look like this. This is a wood, and it is using to chip away. Look, to make it thinner or small. This is a chisel. It works like this. Understand, children? Good. Now saw. This is a tool with a blade having sharp teeth and used for cutting hard materials as wood or metal. This is saw. Look how this man is working on it. This is a piece of wood and he is trying to cut it by using the saw. We also nowadays we also have a very modern saws that like they are electrical and they work more properly, but we have to use them very carefully. And it's also, you can say that it's like a knife, sharp knife. Look, it having sharp teeth and used for cutting hard materials as wood or metal. This is saw. This is chisel. I hope you all understanding by seeing these pictures, these animated pictures, that how these tools are used. Now we have then plane. A plane is a tool for shaping wood. Planes are used to flatten and reduce the thickness of wood. Look, this is the tool which we call it plane. Look what it's doing. Flatten the surface of the wood or reduce the thickness. Maybe it's thick and it does not go at the place where we need, so the man is making it little bit thinner to adjust in the place. And it is also used for, if the surface is not smooth, it is also used to flatten the surface. And then we have plier, a small tool with long jaws, this like this, used for bending or cutting wire or handling small thing. Look, it is used for bending. How, look in this picture, how it bends. Look, it's a metal piece or the iron piece, and a plier is using to bend this thing. And also the plier used to, suppose this is the wire, cut it out. So this plier cutting the wire, look how easily it cuts it. Okay, children, the pliers are used for these things, for bending or cutting wire, or even you can also hold the small things with them, like the nails or small piece of metal you can hold with them. These are called pliers. Then we have pipe wrench. A wrench is used for gripping and turning a cylindrical object such as pipe. Look, this is a pipe, and this pipe wrench is used by the plumbers. What it is used for? Gripping and turning a cylindrical, means around a circle object like this. We put it here, adjusted by, there is adjustment, we adjust according to the size of the pipe, and then we can move it. If we want to take it out or put it in, we use the pipe wrench to fix the pipe. This is pipe wrench. And then file, a tool made of hardened steel. This is hardened steel made of, with cutting ridges. As you can see here, there is a cutting ridges. It means not a smooth surface. Used for smoothing surfaces, especially of metal. This is the file, and the surface of the file is not smooth. It has cutting ridges, but it can smoothen the metal or the wood. You can also see your mothers use the filer to file the nails. This is also, it works like this. It's something lighter, made of some lighter object, lighter things to file the nails. But these file are used by the carpenters, or the I think by the carpenters, to smoothen the wood or the metal piece. This is file, this. Okay, children. Now then we have trowel, or you can trowel. A small hand tool with a flat blade used for spreading and smoothing plaster. Look, this thing is this which this person is moving. This is trowel. It's the man is spreading the plaster between the bricks, or you can see maybe the cement to put the bricks, to attach, to join the bricks. First it put it here and then look, spread it and smoothing it. This is trowel. Now after we have spanner. What it is like this. What it is used for? A metal tool whose end fits round this a nut so that you can turn it, loosen or tighten it. It is used to loosen or tighten the nut of the screw. There is a nut. Look, this one is nut, but this is a spanner. It we can also adjust it according to the size of the screw or any nut. Then it hold it firmly. Then move it and loosen or tighten the nut. This is a spanner. Okay, children, understand about all these tools? Then we have work page. Let's revise them once more just by seeing spanner. This is trowel, file, pipe wrench, plane, pliers, chisel, saw, screwdriver. This is a screwdriver, drilling machine, plumb line. This thing is the plumb line. And this is hammer. As you can also see in your book pictures, hammer, plumb line, drill, screwdriver, chisel, saw, plane, plier, pipe wrench, file, trowel, and spanner. I hope you all enjoyed by seeing these pictures and this animation, and I hope you would understand that how we use or how the workers use these things. Okay. Okay, good. Now back to your books and see the work page, exercise A. Talk about the tools on page as we have studied and we came to know that what type of tools are these and what for they are used. Find out who uses. Let's see who uses. A hammer used by a carpenter, as I told you. Then a plumb line is used by the bricklayer because he needs to find out that the brick wall is straight or not. Then a drill, an electrician to put the wires inside the wall. He uses the drill machine. Screwdriver is also using by an electrician. Chisel, carpenter to smoothen or for reduce the thickness of wood. Saw is also used by a carpenter to cut the piece of wood. Plane is also used by carpenter. Pliers used by plumbers. Spanner also used by plumbers. Maybe the other persons also use these tools, but we mention here only one worker's name. File, carpenter, a pipe wrench, plumber, and a trowel is plasterer. Okay, children, complete your work page. Write all this in your book. On the work page of this lesson tool, this is exercise A. Then we have also exercise B, what they are asking. You also use tools for reading, writing, and drawing. Your books, pencils, brush, etc. are your tools. List all the tools you use while studying. Anything what provide us help in our work is called tool. So the tools which we have studied in the lesson, these are the tools for the builders. But they are asking about the tools that help us in our studies. So what are these tools? Because they help us. These are pencils, pen, eraser, sharpener, books and notebooks, even more. The colors is for drawing, you use colors, then you use the sketchbook and brushes, paints, watercolors. These all you can write whatever you want. You can write here. It's up to you what tools you are using while studying. So you can write here or you can write the same thing. Okay, children, this is work page of your book, page number 39. Then the question answers, we have only two questions. Question number one, have you ever seen any of these tools? Yes, I have seen a hammer, drill, screwdriver, pipe wrench, and pliers. I think most of you children have seen all these things. You have all your parents, all these tools at the home. Your parents have all these tools: hammer, drill, screwdriver, pipe wrench, and pliers. So you can ask them to show you if you have the hammer and the drill at the home, but don't try to use it by your own because you are very small at this time to use these things. Just see and see your parents if they are working with these tools. Ask the parents if they use any of these. Sometimes my parents use some of these tools at home. Very easy and up to you, whatever you write here. These two questions are in your book. Now then we have true false for you to learn properly for your exams. And then you have to write all these question answers and the true false in your notebooks. Question number, not the question, the sentence number one, tools help the workers to do work. Yes, correct, true. Tools help the workers. Thousands of years ago, people have tools. No, they did not have tools. That's why their work is difficult for them. Children can use all type of tools. No, it's false. It's a wrong sentence. Children can use only their studying tools. Hammer is used by carpenter. Yes, carpenter can use the hammer. Tool makes our work easier. Yes, it's true because tools make our work easier. Okay, children, I hope you all enjoyed today's this lesson and today's lecture. You have seen many tools, how they are working and what they are used for. Inshallah, see you in the next lesson. Take care.